All righty. Next up, Theo Patsios. He was going to be talking about the Apple II expansion cards with the Intel 8088 CPUs. However, he became a new father, a baby girl, just a day or two ago. So we have a presentation that we're going to run through and let you read, and then stay tuned at the end. There's going to be a demo, and he is going to take a small but mighty look at the 8088 powered cards for the Apple II, told from kind of a collector's point of view. And he's going to talk about and show in the demo some of the undocumented features and whether we can revive these boards as replicas or emulation. So, in short, the story of what happened when the Intel chip moved into the Apple house. Somehow they made it work.
Hello everyone, In this short video, we will be booting the PC transporter card into MS-DOS version 6.22. This is my Apple IIe. It has the PC transporter card installed in slot 7, the 5 1/4 inch disc controller installed in slot 6, and the 3.5 inch disc controller installed in slot 5. Connected to the 3.5 disc controller, we have the Apple SuperDrive. In order to boot the PC transporter card, we need the BIOS drivers disk, and as we place it in disk 1 of slot 6 and start the computer. Always takes a while to boot. We're hopping at 1 megahertz. So, by holding down the Shift key and tapping twice on Caps Lock, we may enter the configuration utility. So we select Configure Drivers, Assign Configure Devices, Disk Drives, and as you can see, it has been pre-configured so that the first bootable drive of the PC transporter card is in slot 5, drive 1. This is equivalent to a Pro DOS drive. Like that, right? And this is the super drive, and this is the 5 1/4 inch drive. So now we will be needing a pre-installed disk with MS-DOS 6.22 and reboot. So it's June, today is the 28th, 2026, and it's a bit late. And voila, MS-DOS 6.22. You can also run QBasic. Takes a while. And here we are. We also have, well, no, it's not active. So file, And there you go. Whoops. Endless loop. Thank you very much for your time. And apologies for my big fat Greek accent. Apple II forever!
All righty. Well, many thanks to Theo, and he promised definitely that he would answer questions over in the virtual Discord channel between diaper duty. I'm amazed that he can, after being up for that that long, being able to actually type in a basic program and run it with one hand. So interesting.